At first sight, raisins might be a little unpleasant because of their wrinkly, dry appearance. However, you might want to put this aside since they are considered a healthy alternative for snacks or in recipes. Raisin is a dry fruit, obtained through the dehydration of fresh grapes, keeping the same nutrients as the fresh version, but more concentrated. It is rich in antioxidants, iron, and calcium, and has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Want to learn about 8 benefits of raisins? Learn now the details of why raisins are good for your body. 1. Regulates the intestines. Because of its fiber, raisins contribute to the digestion process and have a laxative effect, helping people who suffer from constipation. 2. Strengthens the immune system. Eating healthy will avoid the sensitization of your immune system, and raisins have a significant amount of vitamins B and minerals like iron. 3. Heart-friendly. Rich in catechin, an efficient antioxidant that helps eliminate cholesterol and cleans the arteries, raisins help regulate blood pressure and improve blood circulation. 4. Acts against infections. Thanks to its phenolic phytonutrients, raisins can act as a natural anti-inflammatory. They help reduce fever and decrease bacterial action. Is this video being helpful? Like it to help our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends, even those who don't like raisins. Maybe knowing all of its benefits can help them change their minds. 5. Improves sexual life. The arginine present in raisins is an amino acid important for libido, which makes the fruit very recommended for men who suffer from erectile dysfunction. 6. Helps with oral health. Raisins help with bad breath thanks to its oleanolic acid, which acts against cavities, sensitivity, and frailty in teeth. It prevents the development of the bacteria that causes tartar and strengthens the dental enamel. 7. Natural energy. Because of its sugar, raisins make a great natural alternative to energy drinks. It increases energy levels and helps absorb important minerals and vitamins. It's good for those who want to improve physical performance. 8. Strengthens muscles. Raisins help with muscle contraction and the nervous system because of its potassium, and if combined with a moderate intake of sodium, it can help with muscle hypertrophy. Did you know that raisins can be even more beneficial if we put them in water during the night? Raisin water fights free radicals and protects our body from many diseases. It also aids the release of gastric juices, improving the food processing and absorption. Besides that, if you drink raisin water for 4 days in a row, once a month, it helps with blood cleansing and stimulates liver function. Isn't it amazing? Learn how to make your raisin water. 1 cup of raisins, 16 ounces of boiling water. Directions. Bring some water to a boil and pour it over the raisins. Let it rest for 15 minutes and wash the raisins with clean water. After that, put the raisins in a container and add the 16 ounces of boiled water. Let it rest at room temperature for 24 hours. How to consume. The next morning, take a glass of this infusion, either warm or hot, still fasting. Do it for 4 days in a row, once a month, to get all the benefits mentioned. Raisins are a very versatile ingredient, and it goes well in many dishes. But if you don't like bittersweet foods, try the raisin water and tell us what you think. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.